pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy.
Careful.
Miriam Diba.
Yes!
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Kasi at the time when he told me that he wanted a divorce, sabi ko, why? Is there someone else? And he admitted. Sabi ko, sige, whatever makes you happy. Also because during the time, yung relationship namin, hindi niya naiintindihan that I was in search of meaning. I was in search of fulfillment in life, meaning that I couldn't even see in our marriage. And I felt like if I stayed within that marriage, I was gonna get sick and I was gonna die. So when he sent me home, sabi ko, ayokong iwan ang relationship na ito kasi ako ang legal wife at gusto kong ipaglaban, pero dahil sobrang sakit nito, kailangan ko ng support ng parents ko. Kaya ako umuwi. Tapos, nakilala kita sa partner ko, in-introduce niya ako kay RD. Pero at the time, buhay pa yung wife ni RD. So it was just a chance encounter, just a simple introduction. And then later on, there was another introduction when I was uma-attend ako ng mga success seminars na binibigay ng kumpanya ni RD. Tapos, chance encounter na naman. Pero, nung time na active na ako sa ministry, na ang dami talagang pagbabagong ginawa ni God sa akin. Tapos gusto kong ikwento sa lahat ng tao kasi ang daming taong kailangan si Lord. Inibitahan ako sa mga simbahan, sa 700 Club, iba't ibang mga organization. Sabi ko, gusto kong isulat ito sa libro because I believe na legacy ito. And then, months later, tumawag si RD kasi huling habilin ng late wife niya na tawagan ulit yung mga estudyante para matapos ang libro. Isa ako sa mga tinawag niya. And that started the friendship.
Miriam o Kikiam?
Miriam.
City life, beach life.
Beach life.
Camping, glamping.
Glamping.
Beauty queen, bangon queen.
Bangon queen.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagwalwal dahil heartbroken.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Unang nangangalabit kay Mister.
Sabay kami.
Paborito mong ginagawa kay RD?
Alam mo na.
Paborito mong ginagawa sa iyo ni RD?
Alam mo na yan.
Is that lights on or lights off?
Dim lights.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolate.
Best time for chocolates.
Alam mo na.
Kaharap mo ang iyong 24-year-old self. Ano ang sasabihin mo?
God has a plan for you.
Oh.
You're hoping Him.
Oh.
Ang tanong ko kay Tito Boy, how can I pray for you? Sobrang saya kasi Tito Boy is such an engaging interviewer and I really didn't feel like I was being interviewed. I felt like it was just a personal conversation, like I was in his sala and we were just talking, getting to know one another. And I'm really grateful for this opportunity that I got to share my story, what God has done in my life, and I pray that it will inspire more and more people through my story.